Hi folks, I just wanted to give you guys a June update for me here. These two mowers I'm showing right now, I got fixed and I got it listed up for sale right now. This one right here I got for free. They set off to the curve, they had it listed, whoever gets it, first come first serve. I picked it up. It needed a tune-up, oil change, clean out the gas tank, diaphragm, carb diaphragm, and all that. And I had to replace the throttle cable on it, which works. I had to retrofit it because it was not working like it should. The new one they had wasn't the same one. It wouldn't compensate for the brake cable, so got that fixed. This one I only picked up for 20 bucks because the guy was cleaning out his garage and he already had another mower ready and he was just getting rid of a lot of stuff, and this was one of them. So I picked this up the other day and got it working the same day. I just cleaned out the gas tank. It had red gas in it, probably about as red as that little stick over there. Cleaned that out. Diaphragm was alright. The diaphragm I replaced on it made it sound worse, so I just cleaned off the old one. It was still soft, it wasn't brittle, it was still usable, so I cleaned it off and used it again, and this one's running now. And I'll show you inside my garage here what I got going on. This mower I picked up for 20 bucks. Not with that engine on it though. The engine on it, the guy said, was either a bent blade or a bent shaft. It ended up being a bent shaft. So it had the Silver Series overhead valve engine. So I swapped it out with this 6.5 horsepower Craftsman engine I have. It runs. I gotta do some tune up on it though, and it should be good to go. This Tecumseh though, I showed you a video of a while back. I had it running and I cleaned out the carburetor and stuff, and it started leaking out gas. I still haven't got to it yet because I've been having so many other projects going on. And eventually I'll shoot a video of that one. This one I picked up the other day because I had sold a red side discharge MTD lawnmower for 60 bucks, and the guy brought this over to replace it because it's the one that wasn't running. I gave him 20 bucks for it. All it needed was a new pull cable for it. Well, I told the guy, but he still didn't want it anyway, so I gave him 20 bucks for it and put a pull cable on it and started it up, and it runs. Got the nice Honda engine, 5.5 horsepower. Snow bag is set up for mulch. This one here, I swapped engines out. I swapped the things that did have these one adjustment wheels on it where you had to bolt them on. I took that off and I took them off that mower right there on the right of it to this one, because mower I sold another mower and they traded me this one, and they cut the side of it off to try to make it a side discharge, which that was not made for it. So that engine runs, but it runs high and I haven't able to get it to go down, so I sold some parts off of it to get that Craftsman mower over there going. Anyhow, this one don't want to stop. I had it running and didn't want to stop. The cable came off, so I think I need a new cable for it. I'll probably have to order one. This one here that Troy built, I picked up for 50 bucks. The guy I met with at a place like another Walmart. I work for Walmart. The other Walmart I used to work for, the old store I was at, I met him there, and he sold me this. He said he didn't want it anymore. It stopped running. They left it out in the rain. They said it would only, he showed me it would only start up and die, and I said, okay. I told him what exactly it was. I said it probably needs the carburetor cleaned out. so I paid him the 50 bucks for it. And that same day I took it home, took off the 1/2-inch bolt underneath the carburetor, cleaned out the main jet, and it started right up. And I used it to mow my grass out here. There, so it cut pretty good. That one over there, it's a weed eater deck, and it's got a Yard Machines 6 horsepower engine on it. Only problem is you try to raise it up and the blade vibrates on it, so I might put a shorter blade on it and probably put a smaller engine on it and swap it out with something else. This one up ahead, further ahead right there, it did have that Power More engine on it. It's got an oil leak. It leaked all over the garage, so I am swapping out that Honda engine for that one, but I need the pulley off it, and right now I don't have a torch to get it off, so I gotta try to find somehow to get it off of there. I don't like torches, so I don't really want to go that route. I sprayed it with WD-40. I'll probably try it later on today, see if it works, because I'm trying to get that one going so it'll run on self-propelled too. That mower that's still for free there, I haven't done anything with it yet. I'm probably going to take the engine off a bit and put it on something else yet. I don't know, because I don't know if it's going to be worth keeping it on the deck, because those weed eater decks are not worth anything like they are, so I'll probably just leave that alone. I'll probably just take that engine off and use it for something else. I still gotta get it running. And excuse my mess. Over here, if I can get over to it, I'm sorry, got a lot of stuff in the way. Here is the 3.8 horsepower Vantage Tecumseh engine. I got it going, but I knocked over the gas tank off of it, which knocked the gas line off of it and made it leak. So right now it has no gas in it. I got some fuel line I ordered. I'm gonna put on there to replace that, but I gotta fix the throttle on it because it's not wanting to throttle down or throttle up or anything. It's just staying at one speed. So I gotta fix that. And right behind, in front of that, is my personal lawnmower, my Toro 6.5 horsepower Tecumseh engine. It was self-propelled. I took all the self-propelled mechanisms out because it was locked up and all that, so that's a push mower. But I'm having carburetor issues with that. I haven't got to it yet because of all the other projects. But I got my lawn boy up ahead there. It runs. I put a new carburetor on that one. I'll show you that one in a future video. Husqvarna up ahead right there still runs. And the Toro that I picked up for $5, the big wheel one, still runs. But, you know, part of my mess, trying to not find any cheap mowers. I'm just trying to, I mean, I want to, you know, keep going fixing them, but I got my projects right here right now I need to take care of, and I almost picked up another one, and I had to stop messing and getting a hold of a lady because I got no room to put it right now because of all the other projects, and I still gotta get my personal riding lawnmower going. When I first started doing this, I pushed my lawnmower all the way to the back of the garage and left it there with gas, and it basically, the carburetor was no good on it. I bought a new carburetor for it. They come to find out that the oil and gas that was flooding through there at the time, now it's, I don't know if it's disintegrated the oil seal, but now it's leaking oil or gas on the bottom of the deck there, mower deck. So I haven't got to it yet because I've been trying to get everything else done. So just bear with me. I will try to get more videos as much as I can possible. So just stay tuned. So anyhow, I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing here. I'll try to post more videos on more stuff I try to fix. So just stay tuned. I'm only up to 16 subscribers so far, but I appreciate it. I know there's other people out there doing more repair work. They're probably better at it than I am, but I'm just showing what I do in my extra time besides my full-time job at Walmart. I just wanted to show what I do extra. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I don't know if I'll get any more subscribers, but if I do, I appreciate it. But I thank all the ones that I've got so far. I know it's only 16, and hopefully enough it goes up, but if it doesn't, oh well, it's alright. I'm just trying to show my know-how of some stuff I know how to do. I'm still young at heart, still 33, but I try to do my best. So just stay tuned. I'll post more videos as I can. Thanks for watching.